Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. This is Jay from Infinitevizionz. This tutorial is a continuation of the previous tutorial that we did. In the previous tutorial we designed this template, and in this tutorial we're going to export this design into HTML CSS. Alright, let's get started. Okay, first thing you want to do, go to your toolbar, and under the web there's a tool called slice tool. Click on that, and first thing we want to do, we're gonna slice the header. Then the next thing, we're gonna slice the slider BG, and the last one is gonna be footer. Okay, let's name this first one header background, slider background, and footer background. Okay, a couple of other things that we also want to export, which are the buttons, the computers, this computer, the computer, and the logo. And I will show you how to do that in a minute. Let's export these three things first. Let's select these three and go to File, Export, and in here you can choose HTML and images, put this up folder. Now we don't want that. Click Export. And one more thing guys, before you export, make sure you go to Optimize and check the quality is 100%. Currently we are using JPEG output format. The reason we use JPEG because we are not using any transparent background. If we're going to use transparent background, we're going to use PNG, and I will be showing that in a minute. Okay, let's go back and check if that folder is ready. Okay, when you go here, you can see they created a page called sample temp2. We can get rid of that, we don't need that. When you check inside, you can see it exported three files, which is slider BG, header BG, and footer BG. Okay, and ignore these two, we don't need the spacer and the other one, but ignore them. Okay, so now them three are exported. Now we can export the computers and the button and this title and the logo. So first we're gonna export the logo. Select the logo. Right now I got two text there, so I'm gonna hold shift to click on both to select, then go to edit, copy, and go to file, new. So when you copy something, the fireworks automatically detected that the height and width of the element that you copied already. So click OK. Now if you go to edit, paste, you can see that it's pasted the logo. The reason you couldn't see the word company, because obviously the background is white and the text is white. So what we're going to do here, go to properties and click on canvas and click on this button there. So what that button does is it gets rid of the background, so you're going to have a transparent background. Okay, this time when you export this logo, you gotta go to file, export. One minute guys, you don't have to go to file, export for this one. You can go to file, save as, you can choose name folder PNG, and we're gonna rename this. Okay, we're gonna rename this logo. The reason that we use PNG right now, because we got a transparent background. Okay, so click save. Now go back and check if that saved. You can see it's saved. Okay, that's good. Okay, next thing that you want to copy is a computer, one of the computers. So again, you can go to edit, copy, Control C on Windows and Command C on Mac, and click Control N on Windows. Sorry, or Command N on Mac to create a new document. Click OK, and guys, in here you can choose the transparency. You can choose this transparent background, and you can press Ctrl V to paste or Command V. Now the computer is, we copied and pasted the computer here. Now we're gonna export this. Go to File, Save As, and we're gonna save this as computer right, and that's saved. Now we're gonna choose other computer, Control C or Command C again, then go to press Ctrl N to create a new document. Choose transparent background, click OK, Ctrl V or Command V, and go to File, Save As, and type this computer left. Okay, that's done. What's the next thing we need to do? The button. Click on text and the background. I mean, you can hold shift to select both, or you can do one thing. You can click shift to select both, and you can press Ctrl G to group them, or Command G to group them. So once you group them, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl N or Command N, and we pasted that. Now we're going to save this. Read more button. Okay, now that we exported that, now we also going to export this to title. The reason we're going to export them, because we used a custom font for both text. There's a way to use custom font in CSS, but that's very advanced, guys. We will get into that in the upcoming tutorials. Now for the timing, we're just gonna export them as an image. Okay, so click on slider text, Control C or Command C, then go to File, New, Enter, Paste, File, Save As. So whenever you have a transparent background, make sure that you use PNG. You can also use GIF or GIF, they call it, but the only problem is the images will be pixelated. Okay, so make sure that you stick to a good format. So that's gonna be slider text, and we're gonna copy this as well, and this is gonna be content title. Well done, everybody. Now we have exported everything. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to code, and also I'm going to put a link on the description where you can download my exported files if you want. Okay, then thanks for watching, and please do subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.